Gates are open and they're off. Jubilant Comfort takes charge early. Cabbage Memory, drama at the start. The favourite has missed the jump. Jubilant Comfort once again in the front spot. Cabbage Memory in second spot from Charming Camera. Plant Castle progressing. Close Smash overtaking on the outside. Jubilant Comfort is the front runner. Cabbage Memory in second place. Clashing with Charming Camera. Followed by Close Smash, trying to beat back Plant Castle. Just behind it's Howling Volcano. Chutney Crown in 8th position. 2 lengths behind it's Vacuum Fashion. Jubilant Comfort still pilots the field. Stride for stride with Charming Camera. Cabbage Memory jockeying for position. Howling Volcano in 7th position. Chutney Crown next. Still going, it's Charming Camera. A length behind, it's Silk Superstar. Just has a margin over Cabbage Memory. Howling Volcano seems to be in a good position. 2 lengths away, it's Chutney Crown. Charming Camera still in first place. Close Smash in second spot. 1 length behind, it's Silk Superstar. Going hammer and tong with Cabbage Memory. Howling Volcano feeling anxious as the finish approaches. 1 length away, it's Chutney Crown. At the 300 marker, it's Charming Camera. Close Smash in second place, followed by Silk Superstar. Howling Volcano in 7th. 1 length behind, it's Chutney Crown. They straighten up for home and it's Charming Camera. Silk Superstar in 3rd position. Howling Volcano not happy where it is. Next it's Chutney Crown. Charming Camera gets the money. Close Smash in second place. 3rd at the line, Silk Superstar. Away they go. Charity's Charity has begun well. Right there is Cryptic Centipede. The race continues with Cryptic Centipede. Charity's Charity wants the front, being overwhelmed by Precious Pocket. And then it's Howling Volcano. Fussy Dash at the tail of the field. Cryptic Centipede leading the field. Howling Volcano in second, heads up and down with Charity's Charity, then Precious Pocket, closely followed by Event Phoenix. Pounding down the course, it's Cryptic Centipede. Howling Volcano needs to get into a better place. On their back is Charity's Charity, just in front of Event Phoenix. 600 to run, it's Cryptic Centipede. Howling Volcano in second position. On the inside, it's Charity's Charity. Next, it's Event Phoenix. Fussy Dash in 10th spot, pushing hard in front of Picture Gust. Cryptic Centipede in control. Howling Volcano wants the front. Charity's Charity in 3rd spot, then Event Phoenix. About to run for glory, it's Cryptic Centipede. Howling Volcano in second. 4 lengths away, it's Charity's Charity trying to beat back Event Phoenix. Howling Volcano piloting the field. Cryptic Centipede in second position. Howling Volcano punched out and won it, just beating Cryptic Centipede. Poison's Hedgehog in 3rd. starter gets us underway here at Sewell Meadows. Supersonic Salmon gets a magnificent start. Architectural Lion is also in the run. Architectural Lion holds the lead. Howling Volcano in second spot, engaging with Eccentric Lion. A length away, it's Fire's Centipede from Supersonic Salmon. Universal Trivia in 11th spot, just ahead of Flickering Habit. 600 out, and it's Howling Volcano. Eccentric Lion in second place, followed by Architectural Lion. Austere Stranger pushing past horses. Howling Volcano in first place. Eccentric Lion wants the front. 2 lengths behind, it's Architectural Lion. Just behind, it's Austere Stranger. The Nile Bequest is coming with a huge run. Howling Volcano out in front. Eccentric Lion in second spot. Just behind, it's Austere Stranger. The final sprint is on, and it's Howling Volcano. Eccentric Lion in second place. Howling Volcano salutes first, just in front of Eccentric Lion. Austere Stranger gets the third place. It's race on here at Sewell Meadows. Howling Volcano is off to a fabulous start. Hunters would be happy with themselves early. Musical Bet is right there. Howling Volcano piloting the field. Musical Bet in second. Glitter Blaze moving forward. Eclair Empress contending for position. Wise Raindrop in fifth place. Then as the race moves on, it's Howling Volcano. Eclair Empress in second position, putting in a strong bid with Wise Raindrop. Toe-to-toe with Heritage Knife. And the back marker is Death's Devil. Howling Volcano still outrunning the rest. Eclair Empress in second spot. A length behind, it's Glitter Blaze. Head and head with Custard Frame. Still going, it's Howling Volcano. Eclair Empress wants the front. 1 length away, it's Custard Frame. Head and head with Wise Raindrop. Howling Volcano still piloting the field. Eclair Empress in second. Pushing hard in front of Wise Raindrop. Toe-to-toe with Glitter Blaze. Howling Volcano is the front runner. Eclair Empress in second position. Howling Volcano wins, just holds by Glitter Blaze. Third at the line, Heritage Knife. We're underway here at Sewell Meadows. Aimless Advice is the pacemaker. Nervous start there from the favourite. Continuing around the track, it's Emperor's Example. Rogue Harbour in second place. Aimless Advice putting on the pressure. Neck and neck with Howling Volcano. Chronicle Impact at the front. Howling Volcano with a brilliant turn of foot. Arm and Anagram striving forward. Rogue Harbour next. Chronicle Impact running for fun. Howling Volcano wants the front, putting up a challenge to Rogue Harbour. And then it's Arm and Anagram. Just has a margin over Friday's feature. Chronicle Impact out in front. Howling Volcano could be happier. Then Arm and Anagram going hammer and tongs with Rogue Harbour. Continuing around the track, it's Chronicle Impact. Howling Volcano needs to get more comfortable. From Friday's feature, just ahead of Rogue Harbour. Chronicle Impact is running for fun. It's on now, folks. Dozy Dinosaur is coming home from the clouds. Howling Volcano breaks their hearts, just holds on. Chronicle Impact, Friday's feature in third.
Huh?